In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print out a Google Docs spreadsheet in different methods. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So one method is up in the ribbon bar. You can just select the little print icon, and then you can select your printer or your workbook, and then you can select where you want to print to. You would select next, and then just follow through with the on-screen prompts of configuring what you want to be printed. So that's one option here. Something else you can try as well is if you tap the Control and P key combinations on your keyboard, you can open that up. Or you can also select File and then Print to also open up the print dialog window. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.